How to use class list and class view on NESAP. How to use class list and class view on NESAP. While logged into your account, you go to the module section and you click on academic, then you click on classes. We have class list and class view on the right, class list on the left, and class view on the right. The class list gives you all the classes that you are in charge of as a basic educator. Yes, you get to see all the classes that you are currently in charge of, whether you are taking subjects in those classes or you are the class manager of those classes. You will see all of the classes listed in this class list tab. Now, the administrator, the school portal administrator, is the one in charge of actually creating classes and attaching classes to educators. So if you are seeing any class here, it's because the school administrator has attached these classes to you. In this view, you can see that we have 4 classes and we have 4 assigned subjects. You can see that you are a class educator for 2 classes and you take subjects in 3 classes, as you can see here. There's little you can do here than just viewing the class. If there was a description, you'll see the description of the class. You'll see the number of students in these classes. In this one, we have 1. In this one, we have 8 students. There are no students here. There are 2 students in this particular class. This label L6, L7, L8 are education level that depicts the ranking of these classes. It is actually created and designed by the administrator, so you have no need of it here. We will talk about class view. Class view allow you to see more details about a class, one or more classes. In class view, you have to select the class you want to see more details about. So you click on the class and the system loads up the data regarding that selected class. You can see in primary 1A that I have selected, the population of this class is 1 and is a male. The person is a male. We have no female. You see a list view, a scrolling list view of all the students in the selected class. Since we have 1 person, that's why we are seeing 1 person here, Justin, Mayor, Frank. If we have more people, they will be lined up in a row here, and it can even scroll if we have more people to exceed this space here. Beneath this section, we have the assigned subject and performance. Assigned subject and performance. So in this class, these subjects have been assigned to this class, which is English, mathematics, agricultural science. English, mathematics, agricultural science. Then you can see the performance so far in terms of subject score recording. So this is the performance so far. This is 28% in agric, no record yet for mathematics and English. Now the average subject rating on the right here is the average subject rating for all the subjects in that class. As you can see, this is 0.5, which is poor. Now educators, you can see you are the educator for this class, so you can see yourself here. If we have more educators attached to this class, you will see them in a list here and the roles they play, the classes that are being managed, the subject classes, that means the subject that are taken in each of these classes, and the assigned number of subjects. So this is what you get to see in the class view page. Okay, so we have been able to see the class list where you can view all the classes that you are in charge of as a basic educator, and you can as well see details about each classes. If you want to switch to a different class, it's just for you to pick it up. The system will load up the data, and you will see the details, the specific details. This is the assigned subject and performance. This is English, 85% performance completed, 68% for mathematics, 88% for ABPO. In this particular class, you notice that we have two educators that are in charge of these classes, and the average performance is 4. Average subject rating is 4. So this is how to use the class list and class view on NESAP academic module.